Hello everyone, this is Pushpa. Welcome to the AutoCAD lecture series by 365 by 7, 365 by 12 Consultancy Services. In this video, I am going to explain you about the modify commands. In this lesson, I am covering these 8 topics. In another video, I will be covering the remaining topics. Total, there are these like move, copy, stretch, scale, rectangle array, fillet, trim or extend, rotate, mirror, erase, explode, offset will be there. So in this video I am going to in next video I am going to explain about the stretch, scale, rectangle array and fillet. In this video I am going to explain only move, copy, rotate, mirror, trim or extend, erase, explode and offset commands. Okay, first of all, let us draw some of the objects. Let us take L and just a triangle. These are our objects. Okay. Let us first try this one. Move command. We can move the object from one place to another place. So select this. It is showing that we have to select the object. Okay. Select this one. Let us select this one. Okay. Enter. Now we have to specify the base point. Let us take this as base point and move this here. So you can see here we have moved that one. So the shortcut key for the move is M, enter. And if you want to use the previous command, please click on the space. We will be getting the previous command. By escaping, we can remove the command. Okay. Now we go for the copy command. Click here. It is showing the instruction. Select object. Okay, I will select this one and this one. So we have selected objects. Click enter. So we have to specify the base point. Let us consider this. From this base point, these objects can be copied. Here, here, here. Anywhere we want, we can copy all these objects. Okay. Now we go to the rotate now. Rotate short form is R, enter. So first we have to select the object. Let us say enter. Rotate. Specify the base point. From here we are going to rotate. Specify the rotation angle. Okay, I have to rotate this in 120 degrees. Yeah. Here you can see. This is all about the rotate one. And this one is the mirror. So type M, enter. Let us move this object. This point. Select here. Okay. Let us move this object. M, enter. Sorry, not move. Mirror. M, enter. Shortcut for mirror is MI, enter. After selecting object which we want to mirror, click enter. specify the first point of the mirror line. Specify the second point of the mirror line. So I am providing here. So by this mirror line, it has found the mirror for the object. So it is asking us the erase source objects. No. If we click yes, it will be erased. So this one is the rotate mirror. Now we have to trim or extend. Let us take enter. Okay. Now we have to use the trim and we see the how to use the trim and extend. Let us take trim. First we have to select the objects. So the extra part will be erased. So we can see here. Okay. Okay. If we are using shortcut keys. Trim for trim we have TR enter. So now we have to click the enter. TR double enter to activate the command. So now we have to select the object that has to be trimmed. This one will be the trim command. If you want to extend the object, click here. So first we will have to select the object to extend. So see, from this to this it has been extended. From this to this it has extended. Okay. If you want EX, enter. So we have to click select object. See, it is stretching this one. Again, we cannot extend this line because there is no another line which will be to extend this one. So it has stopped. It is showing wrong mark. Escape. Now we can see the erase. Click on erase. So select the object to erase. Okay. I want to erase this one. Enter. Okay. Like this, we can use the erase. So, see, this one is selecting all as one object. So, if you want to select each line as once, so we have to use the explode command. Explode QCS select object. Enter. So now check. So this line is at once we can select only one line. So this one has been exploded. Let us take another one. This is all about the extrude. If we check offset, we have to specify the offset distance. From here we want. So I want 0.5. So click here. Select object to offset. on which we have to provide the offset. See, 0.5 distance with offset with 0.5 distance is forming here. And again we have, let us select this one. This one is the offset line. This one. Like this we can use the offset. Like this, by using offset we have formed this type of structure. This is all about these modify commands: move, copy, rotate, mirror, time, trim or extend, erase, explode, offset. So I hope all of you clear about it. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment below and ask us. Thank you.